Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm going out of town with my family. Super excited. We're going for my sister's birthday so that she can go and see some family. But I'm gonna make this weekend fun for me. Today is June 24th and it's Thursday. We leave tomorrow, which is Friday. But I need to pack tonight because I ain't packing nothing, bruh. What the hell am I doing? She done tore pages out of my notebook to draw. That's so sweet though. Right, look what the hell I wake up to. Who the hell does that? My sister did that. That is creepy. That's not normal. So my voice is slowly coming back because it's been gone for a minute now. I think the reason that it was so much worse than it should have been is because when I had strep throat months ago, I didn't take the medicine like at all. So now my throat is like completely fucked up. So yeah. But I'm super excited to travel. It's been so long. I haven't traveled since March. I need to figure out what I'm gonna take. Because I know we might be getting a pool while we're there, but I don't know. It's gonna be the best weekend ever, so it's fine. Aliola when I rule with the Giza. Enjoy my lifestyle, sweetheart. Okay, so I'm about to pack. So this is the bag that I'm using in here. This is just for like the stuff that I'm gonna use that's not clothes, you know. Deodorant, of course. My favorite book, Wuthering Heights. Well, it's not my favorite, I'm just reading it. Tarot cards, of course. Of course, my notebook. I'm actually gonna use this tonight, so I'm not gonna pack it until in the morning. I think I already did an intro. So my mom went to go get some snacks. She brought snacks for everybody, but these are just the ones that I got. Stacked sour onion and cream, of course. Some peach rings and like hella chocolate. So we got Hershey's Kisses and Dove. And there was 2 of these, but I already ate one. So, bro, my fat ass can't even wait. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm trying to cut back. My ass has been eating hefty. I mean like snacks 24/7. I've been eating. And then I also got cream soda. I think I need to take my black ass back in the house, cause what the hell are they talking about over there? I still didn't continue packing. Like I put those little bit of things in my bag and here we are. And that's it. I need to actually go figure out my outfits and stuff like that. Imagine me driving. Oh yeah. So those are my snacks. And now we're gonna go back and actually like pack, cause I need to do that. Look how beautiful it is outside, bro. It looks so much better in real life too. Okay, so we gotta get the clothes. We have such a variety to choose from. No, I'm just kidding. I have stuff down there too. So we're not gonna be wearing oversized clothes like usual. That's such a lie. Yes, we are. You're using that, not a suitcase.
Yeah.
Okay. She lit.
I didn't feel like using no suitcase.
Why is it looks so funny on camera.
She like wearing that ragged behind the shirt, and I just love it.
So obviously underwear is essential. We got that check mark. I don't wear bras. Like I do wear bras. I'm just gonna take one in case I want to wear it with a certain shirt or something, but I'm not gonna wear this. Oh, we need a swimsuit. Well, honestly, I have much more of a variety. That's such a lie. No, I don't. So this is like my main go-to swimsuit because it's really cute. But I also have a green one that I got. So this is the swimsuit I was talking about. It's like this green crossover swimsuit. It's honestly too little for my chest. But we make it work because I paid for it. So I need a total of 3 outfits. Can I get in the pool tomorrow when we get there?
It's gonna be nighttime. They
have night swim.
Restrictions on their hours.
It's probably 11. Most of them.
I doubt it. It's usually sundown.
Do you know the name of it?
Huh?
You know the name of the place? She gave me the name of the hotel. Now we gotta see what time their pool closes. Yeah, I'm gonna just call.
Thank you for calling the Quality Inn and Suites Airport in Charlotte. For reservations, please press 1.
Thank you for calling Quality Inn. How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering what time does your pool close during the night?
8:30 tonight.
What about tomorrow?
8:30.
Okay.
It's 8:30 every night.
Thank you.
Right.
Bye bye.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You too. Dang, close at 8:30. I don't think we're gonna get there that. Hey mom, what time we leaving here?
Probably like 10:30, 11 to go pick your nana up and then go to Mike and Michelle got their physicals at noon. And after their physicals, then we gone.
Okay, so no pool tomorrow. They close at 8:30.
Oh, I told you.
That's early though compared to the ones here.
Oh, I told you.
I'm so close to eating all them snacks. Get some help.
Okay, will you get the stuff out the bathroom?
So this is the stuff that's going to get washed. And I need to keep getting my clothes. Oh. Jesus. It's It's okay. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. I just hit my pinky toe. I just hit my pinky toe and I think it's coming up, Ma.
What?
My pinky toe just came up.
What you mean came up? What are you talking about?
It doesn't hurt as much as it would. Oh my god. Oh my god. It just cracked.
What?
Ow.
Your pinky toe?
Yes, so you see it? It's cracked all the way across. But
What's cracked?
The whole nail is cracked right across there, but it hasn't come up.
I can't
Don't you
see.
pull? Okay, don't pull it, okay?
Hold on, let me lose this light.
Huh? Like, oh my god.
Oh, it is cracked.
Oh my god.
No, it's not. It ain't cracked.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
I feel it. I can push it up.
Let me see.
Why is there no blood? Don't you pull my toe?
I'm
I
not.
will punch you. That gives me right to punch you, Mom.
It is cracked right
Oh
there.
my god.
It'll mend
It
back.
doesn't hurt as much as I thought it would.
It's just a nail.
Can't you just put like nail polish, the hardener on there?
Yeah, you can put a hardener on there and it'll mend back.
I want to pull it.
Ain't that hardener right there?
Yeah.
That clear bottle.
Okay. If I would have pulled it up a little, if I would have like pushed my foot a little more, it would have pulled all the
Well,
way
how
up.
did you hit? What you hit it on?
It got stuck under
It
there.
got stuck on the toy?
Yes. Hard on it. Well, hot girl summer is a no-go. It's so pretty out. Oh my gosh. I need her to unlock the car so I can put the stuff in here. She did not unlock the car. Look how beautiful. Unlock the car. Okay, we got the first one in. Oh, I'm gonna have to push this. There we go. And then the second one has to go right here. That is not gonna fit. There we go. That worked. Jesus, I don't ever do that. That was tired. Look how pretty it is out here, bro. Okay. Damn. I'm gonna take a break from the clothes because my ass is tired now. I'm so tired now.
Yeah.
The chocolate from Dollar Tree was old and moldy.
Huh?
Yeah.
And you ate some?
No, I mean the Hershey's, not the Dove.
The Hershey.
Yeah, I opened 3 now and
And they white?
yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Well,
The Dove was fine?
yeah, Dove was good. Well, the Dove, it didn't taste like the one we get from Walmart, but it wasn't like that.
Shoot, people probably don't be buying it out of there.
Probably don't, which is why
What was the date on the pay? What was the date on the bag?
date on the bag. BB 12 2021. So I guess December.
Oh, so they just done went old fast. Ew.
Right.
You didn't eat none though, right?
No, I was about to, and I'm lucky I looked down because I wasn't gonna, like, I usually just eat it and don't look down at it.
Right.
I'm glad I looked.
Alright, let me call you again and tell how I'm on the way.
Okay, I say because of that I get Chick-fil-A in the morning. Love you, bye. Let's hope we get Chick-fil-A. I may be addicted, but I haven't had it in like a week, so you know. But yeah, the chocolate I got was bad. We're gonna check this second bag and see. Oh, it's bad too. Okay, well, that's going in the trash. Do not buy Hershey Kisses from Dollar Tree, because normally anytime we bought candy from Dollar Tree before, it's been fine. That was indeed not fine. I do have my peach rings to eat though, and don't worry, I'm not gonna eat it all tonight. Nah, that's good. So the only snacks that we have for the trip tomorrow now is the Dove chocolate, the peach rings, and the sour onion and cream chips. And I will say this soda, but it's gonna be gone. So. Can you pay my telephone bill?
I just started selling merch about a year ago.
Selling merch. I want some merch. We're gonna get there. Don't worry. We'll get there and then we're gonna have merch. Hello guys. So now we gotta put the stuff in the suitcase. I got pretty much it all laid out there. I know it doesn't look like much. It's because it's not. I travel light. Or I've been trying to travel light. I'm not doing this neatly at all. That's my fit for Saturday. Fit for Sunday, I don't know. Oh yeah, I got Wendy's. I don't know why I left it in there. Sunday fit is looking like this shirt and maybe some shorts. So we're gonna put this underneath this because I don't know. Usually I'm more organized, but I don't care this time, so. The way that's not organized at all. I'm gonna put these shoes. I'm gonna leave them out actually. I think I'm gonna wear them tomorrow. So I don't know where to put this stuff. Cause I was really just gonna like I don't want this to waste. Everything I'm gonna put this in this bag. So I'm gonna take this native soap that I have. I don't know. I'm gonna just put it in here, honestly. It's not that big of a deal if it's like right there. I don't think it'll waste. I'm debating whether to put my slides in there or leave them. I wanted to wear these on the way, but it would make sense to wear my house shoes. Singing on the way. She did not answer. I'm like tired now. But the suitcase is all packed, so I think I'm doing something right. I think I have everything. Got deodorant, tooth stuff. We got deodorant, tooth stuff, lotion, soap, socks. Did I put socks in here? Oh, she's calling. Oh, no, they're not answering. My phone died. And we called each other.
You can't do it at the same time.
Literally. We're vlogging, so say hi.
Hello.
What's it call it? I am packing still. I was finishing packing, even though I really don't want to. But I kinda need to.
Oh, she
I
was
got socks.
like she slept during the day and she began her like morning routine and stuff. And like
Literally me.
it was like 11 p.m. where she began her morning routine. Then she was up and she was like, she would work and watch the sunrise and stuff and then be up for most of the day. Oh yeah, she went to sleep at like 2 p.m. She got ready for bed and went to sleep.
That's literally me. Wait. Go. You gotta be
What am I
background.
doing?
You're the background music to this part. Alright, go.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. I don't think yeah. It's such a good channel. You guys are amazing subscribers, and what would I do without you? Thank you so much for this streaming award. I am so grateful to be on this YouTube platform. I don't know how this became this at this speech, but it works. Should I end the video here? Because I could do pack with me and then the actual full vlog and to do separate days. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. The next parts are going to be out soon, so yeah, bye.